Welcome to the Endless Belly Dance Shimmies course with me, Melissa BellyDance. This course offers a great belly dance workout whilst teaching lots of belly dance shimmies technique. Learn some cool new moves, up your game, and have a fun and feminine workout with me. This course focuses on various belly dance shimmies and shimmy variations. This course is designed for all levels, including complete beginners to advanced level students, with lots of options provided to suit your own individual level. This course includes a warm-up, technical breakdowns of the vibration shimmy, the earthquake shimmy, the loose and floppy hip shimmy, the choo-choo shimmy, and the shoulder shimmy. It also includes advanced classes of each type of shimmy, including some of my fun and favourite belly dance shimmy layers. If you are a beginner, you can progress towards this class with technique and breakdowns offered in the previous videos. It includes flow belly dance shimmies classes, where you get to dance your shimmies in a follow-along style class, a great belly dance workout. And it includes a La Femme feline stretch class, based on my signature belly dance stretch and movement method. For each type of shimmy, we have a technique class, a variation class teaching various ways and stylizations of the shimmies, and an advanced class focusing on more advanced variations and belly dance shimmy layers. See you in class. Bye!